Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy and sell stocks or shares on Trading212. Also, if you guys just recently opened your Trading212 account, you can use my promo code from the description below to get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's go ahead and continue. Now, first off, once you open up your Trading212 app, you will be on your home screen right here. So let's say that you want to buy some shares or stocks. To do so, you would need to go to the search bar right here. And then in the search bar, you can search for a specific stock or the amount of shares that you would like to purchase. So in my case, let's say that I want to purchase some Nvidia. I will just click on Nvidia and then I will select the buy option. From here, you can place a market order, which means that the order will be executed as soon as possible. So currently the market is closed, so if I place the market order now, it will be executed as soon as the market opens. So this is just a normal spot order. Now you also have different types of orders, but for this video, we'll just stick to the simple spot orders for everyday investing. Now to set a market spot order, all you would need to do is just move this slider to select the amount of shares that you would like to purchase. You can also switch this from shares amount to the value amount, which would allow you to input the euro amount of shares that you would like to purchase. So let's say that I want to purchase 20 euros of Nvidia at the next available time, aka in my case when market opens, because currently it's Sunday and the market is closed. Also, you can see in this tiny text right here that the market opens in 23 hours. So to place the order, you can just click review order and then click send buy order. From there, your order will be placed, and as you can see, it will be executed once the market opens. Now just go ahead and tap on OK. And to see this placed order, you can go to your portfolio right here and just scroll down a bit. Now here you can see the pending order that we just placed for 20 euros of Nvidia shares. Now if you would like to cancel this order, you can just click on this X right here and then select cancel. And now your order has been cancelled. Now let's say that you already own some shares and that you would like to sell them. So to sell those shares, you would just need to stay on your portfolio section or go to your portfolio section and select the share that you would like to sell, or the stock that you would like to sell. So I have a few shares of Nvidia, so I will just select that and then I will select the sell option. So here it allows me to sell all my shares of Nvidia for 7.50 euros, which is the current market value. So to sell those, you can just select the amount of shares again that you would like to sell in the value or in the shares directly. So once you have your amount of shares set, you can again set a market order, aka the spot order that will be executed as soon as the market opens. The same type of order as we did for our buy order. Now just go ahead and click review order and click send sell order. Now you can click OK, and you can again see this order on your portfolio section right here. So essentially guys, that's how you can buy and sell stocks or place buy and sell orders on Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.